You got this, buddy. No, he's gonna make it. Oh, shit. Come here. Come here. Come here and let me dry you.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
They offer. And since everyone seems to want to know whether or not a fleshlight feels like the real thing or not, clearly I had to try it. For the second fleshlight,
Oh, what do you mean? Oh my god, what is moving? Oh my god, shit. Ah, I got it! Oh my god, it's alive! Okay, I'm just gonna let out the cat flap. Okay, run free!
Stop kissing your brother. What's wrong with you? Your kid's gonna come out with 3 heads, 6 legs, and 28 asses.
Miss Sushi, your 2 o'clock appointment's here.
Say a boom boom boom, let me hear you say way-oh.
Me liking the vibrations.
Come closer. What is the sound of one hand clapping?
I don't know. What is the sound of what? Oh!
You comfortable? Get your Oh my god, I thought he was dead.
What are you doing?
Harry, when did we get a lamp in the kitchen?
I don't know. Never told.
Came to say hi to you all too. And she has a brother named Earl who I also live here with. When I'm not teaching, I love to hang out with my friends. Sophie! Sophie!
Stop. Oh my goodness.
This is dramatic. It's not like that needs to happen.
It
this
doesn't.
No, that's
Oh, bless you.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
maybe sharks should get in there.
That is so sad.
You can do it. I'm just trying to teach you how to right where to aim at it.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed.
How the f did you... Why?
This bitch.
I'm losing my goddamn mind. I bring them out of the tree. I put them on the ground. I lock them in a room. Nothing. Oh my fucking god.
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Whisker, found myself a kitty cat couch whisker. Gonna find my purty kitty, gonna stick it on its forehead. Nice.
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses. You right to jail.
Kediyi gömmüşüzdür. Sadece kafası var.
I'm gonna show you guys why you can never trust a pit bull. Just a warning, it might get a little graphic. Oh.
Babe, who's the alpha? Like...
Stephanie, I'm not letting you outside. Because the last time you went outside, this happened.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very...
It's not gonna end well for you.
Hey Mom, do you mind if I stomp on your tits? Hey Mom, do you mind can I...
Let's see what Zuko's knocked under the couch this week. Oh my god. What? I hope you're proud of yourself, Zuko. I really do.
Don't get me wrong, being an adult and living on your own is pretty great. The only problem is that I now have access to adult money, which means I can buy whatever I want, which means I end up buying shit like this.
How could he do this to us?
He's been gone 30 seconds, just calm down.
Yeah, and what if he never comes back? How would you feel then?
I actually wouldn't care at all. I'd just leave through an open window and start a new life for myself, you know?
Why would you even say that?
Whatever, man. Look, just keep it down, okay? I'm gonna take a nap.
If human no want pet, why human have hand? If human no give me treat, why human have food?